What if I told you one hackathon could literally fast-track your entry into Meta? Yeah, not internships, not referrals, a hackathon. But here's the scary part. Thousands will apply. Only a few will even get shortlisted. So the real question is, will you be one of them? Or just another applicant? Stick with me, because what I'm about to share can change your timeline completely. First, eligibility. Meta Hackathon 2026 is expected to be open for students, 18-30 age group, tech backgrounds like CS, IT, or even self-taught devs, strong focus on problem-solving plus real-world projects. But wait, here's the catch. It's not about your college, it's about your skills, plus execution. Now let's talk about the rounds. And trust me, this is where most people get eliminated. Round 1, online screening. DSA plus logical thinking. Quick question. Can you solve under pressure in 60 minutes? Round 2, project, hackathon build phase. You'll build something real, not just code, but impact. Round 3, final evaluation, presentation. This is where storytelling matters. Yes, your idea pitch can beat better code. Now here's the cliffhanger. Most people fail, not because they lack skills, but because they don't know how Meta shortlists candidates. So how do you get shortlisted? Build real-world projects, not tutorials. Focus on problem-solving plus scalability. Showcase your work on GitHub and LinkedIn. And most importantly, apply early. Because timing harks opportunity. Wait, you're not still planning to apply last minute, right? This hackathon could literally be your shortcut to Meta, but only if you play it smart. If you're serious about cracking hiring challenges like this, I've created a full playlist on how to get selected in Hiring Challenge 2026. Tap the end screen right now and start watching. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends.